So this is our first video in triangle basics. And what we really need to gather from triangle basics is that the three angles of a triangle make 180, and that sometimes the sides of a triangle can be related. All right, so in this picture, I see a triangle, ABC, and I see two angles marked. These two markings mean that these two angles are equal, which makes this a special kind of triangle. When a triangle has two angles that are equal, it is an isosceles triangle. And if those two angles are equal, that means that these two sides are equal. All right, and so the question's asking us to find AB. Well, in order to find AB, I need to figure out what x is. So I need an equation that relates these two pieces. Well, if this is an isosceles triangle, these two pieces are equal. So my equation would just say that 2x plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 7. All right, so now I'm just going to solve this equation. So I'm going to start by moving 2x. I like to move my smallest variable first. So I've got a 5 over here. 3x minus 2x is x. Bring down my minus 7. Then I can add 7 to both sides, makes that go away. And I get x is equal to 12. All right, I can almost guarantee you that if this were a multiple choice question, 12 would be an answer choice. But the question isn't telling us to find x. The question's telling us to find AB. So in order to find AB, I need to plug in my answer. So I'm going to take this 12 and I'm going to plug it in right here in AB. So if I take a 12 and I plug it in there, 2 times 12 plus 5. I just took my value for x and plugged it in for x. So 2 times 12 is 24, and 24 plus 5 is 29. That is the answer. AB is 29. So that is your answer.